Hi guys, welcome to our basic tech channel. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for the latest tech videos. Thank you. Hello guys, this is my friend's Instagram account. You can see there is no blue tick for this account. Uh, just double click on the name and right click. You can see the inspect element option. Just click on it. And you can see the code related to this page. Code related to the name tag will be shown in highlighted color. Click on the three dots. Let me zoom in for the better view. You can see there's three dots. Just click on it and select edit as HTML. Now you can edit the code. Just click enter for the next line and paste the code. The code will be given in the description below. You can see the blue tick option. Let me show you again. If we delete the code, the blue tick will be gone. Let me do the same process again. Edit HTML and paste the code. Here is your blue tick. And this arrow, click on this arrow. This arrow will show you. This arrow is used to select the area that you want to modify in this page. Now we can change the followers count. We can see the code related to the number that we selected, and I'm going to change it to 30 million. And just click besides the code. Here it is. Your followers count is 30 million now, and same can be done for the following count. Just click on the number and just change the number. This is how we modify the page with inspect element. If we close the tab, we can see the modifications that we have done. Blue tick with 30 million followers and 12 following count. You can edit name of the account as well. You can also edit the name of the account. This is my friend's account. I'm going to change this account name as I am an idiot. You can see the name is changed. With the inspect element, we can change anything from the page. I'm going to change username as well. Just click on the text and edit the text, and the name is changed. But guys, this is not a permanent change. This is just a temporary change. If you click refresh, the page will set to normal. You can see page is set back to normal. We lost a verified account and followers count is changed. This video is just to show how inspect element works. If you like the video, please do subscribe our channel for the more such type of videos. Thank you for watching, guys.